I look like a burglar.
Darcei.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald hating beach back at it again with another video. I just made a pony video like 2 weeks ago. How is there another pony collaboration? How many collabs does this woman have? I thought it was the year of the rat, but I guess it's really the year of the pony. So today we are going to be exploring another pony collaboration. This time it's with Morphe. Hashtag Morphe babe. Let's get right into this. But before we do, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so that my dreams of becoming an Instagram model come true. So at first glance, this palette is quite frightening. It's giving me the heebie-jeebies. Usually I don't do colors like this. It's quite pastel. Usually I exclusively only wear pink eyeshadows. And the closest we've got to a pink eyeshadow is this right here. But it's pretty pastel-y. Since Pony came out with another collab, you guys wanted me to try this, so if I end up looking like a clown, it's your fault. What I like about this palette is that it has a very wide variety of colors. If you are into bright, colorful makeup, this is definitely gonna be the palette for you. But today, I'm gonna go slightly out of my comfort zone, and I'm going to try and use purple today instead of exclusively pinks. Are you proud of me? All right, let's get started. The collection also comes with 3 lipsticks, which of course are a pop of pastel. Frankly, the lipsticks are scaring me a lot more than the eyeshadows. I'm gonna do some quick swatches for you guys, just so you can see what this looks like on a darker skin tone. And then I think I'm gonna swatch them on my lips as well, after I've done the whole makeup look. They are described as matte full coverage lipsticks. Ooh, this looks promising. This is the color Wonder. Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, why'd you make me do this? Then we've got our purple color. This is the color Mystify. And last but not least, we have Charisma. Oh my god. Okay, listen, we can work with this. We're doing this the Darcei way today. We can use our brown liners. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. God, I feel ashy already. Think positive. First thing we're gonna do is our eyebrows and then prep our lids because I wanna do eyeshadow first. This seems like the kind of look where you're gonna wanna do your eyeshadow first. Normally I start with my foundation, but girl, it's upside down day today. And then I'm gonna use my Glossier Boy Brow and just run it through these bad boys. Today, it seems like we need to go into some heavy duty stuff. So I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia eye primer and I'm gonna be using that to make my lids as white as possible. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just plop it on there. That's probably too much, I don't really know. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it out. Guys, is this enough primer? I look like a burglar. Now we're gonna put on our eyeshadow. First color I'm gonna dare to dip into is this one right here. This looks like my shade. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye today, she said, as she has never done one before. So we're gonna take this. What is this? Oh, it's a Morphe brush. We're gonna take this random Morphe brush and put it in the Morphe palette to make one big Morphe family. We're just gonna load it up. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Oh snap! I'm enjoying this. I am deeply, deeply enjoying this. I'm gonna have so much primer to take off later. Oh well. Guys, I seriously actually don't know how to do a halo eye. Please don't roast me, okay? I'm a beginner! This Anastasia primer gets the job done, honey, but let me just say, my eyelids are cracked like the Sahara Desert. Guys, I'm so serious right now. I love this. Okay, guys, don't kill me. I'm using pink. I want to take this pink right here. I'm gonna wet the brush first. This pink has a slight shimmer to it. I'm just gonna see what this looks like. I don't know if I like it. I'm going to try putting this darker pinky shimmery shade on top. Okay, that's better. We're just gonna do that on the other side now. Like I said, I don't usually do colors like this, so I am just experimenting right now. And hopefully it comes out good. I'm gonna try putting this on the outer corner and see what that does. It looks a little darker, but also more gray. Again, we're just experimenting, guys. I don't know what's happening right now. I wish this palette had like a deep, rich purple in it, but like I get it, it's pastel. Like if I could just have a deep, rich purple on the outer corner, that would look so sick. Next, I'm gonna add these lashes from Morphe. These are the hypnotic lashes. Go on and fake it. I've been looking for an excuse to use these lashes and I feel like this is it. I bought these because they were on sale. To all of you who bullied me into wearing lashes, you won. You won. So now that we have this geometry project on our face, we're gonna start on our foundation. Before we put on our foundation, we wanna make sure we put on our primer. Oh, the things I do for My Little Pony. Gonna take my NARS foundation. I think I'm running out of this. Just start applying that with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna highlight with my concealer. Going pretty heavy today, guys. I feel like this look warrants it. Sometimes you just gotta go glam. I have not done a glam look like this since 2017. Who am I? It is 10:30 right now, guys, and I'm trying to finish this video by 11:30 so that I have time to eat my avocado toast before I go get my eyebrows done. I sound like the extremely obnoxious influencer that I am. I'm gonna set all that with some translucent powder. So now I'm going to contour with my Morphe powder. Am I just using all Morphe products today? Sweep that down the jawline. Hollow out those cheekbones, honey. This is the face you have to make when you're contouring. Just like that. Now I'm going to take this shimmery shade and put that in my inner corners. For blush, I'm going to take this Kylie Cosmetics blush in Rosy. And then I'm taking Soft and Gentle from MAC and using that as my highlighter today. This is like my favorite highlighter. I love it. Okay, now for the scariest part of all, the lipstick. Okay, so these are our options. Which one should I choose? That could be cute. No, I don't know about that one. This could be cute too. Let's try this one. I look like a crackhead. Oh God. It looks nice on the paper towel though. Okay, let's try Wonder. Just as terrifying. And obviously I'm not putting these on with like the lip liner and like being perfect. This is literally just like a lip swatch, just so you guys can see the raw, dirty version of it. I am not having a good time right now. Wow, once again, beautiful on the paper towel. Chef's kiss. Okay, I feel like this last one might be good. This is the color Charisma. This is more of a peachy pastel. Good God. You see, the issue is that it's too light. But also, because my lips are dark, if you look up close to my lips, you can still see what my lips look like underneath this. And it just looks like I'm on drugs, y'all. Somebody save me. What does this look like on the paper towel? Wow. Okay, seriously though, I'm gonna properly put on that last color because I feel like it would go with this look the best. We're gonna give it a 100% fair shot. We're gonna do the black girl lip liner trick that everyone knows. So I'm gonna take my chestnut liner. So I'm just lining the outside of my lip. This will just help the color blend in more into my skin tone and not look so insane. Okay, so once again, I'm taking the color Charisma. So I'm just gonna spray with my Morphe spray one more time. Okay, so with the brown liner, it's actually really cute. Brown liner fixes everything, guys. Pro tip. If I'm being totally honest though, I would probably never wear these lipstick colors. It's just not my thing. You know, it's very bold, it's very out there, it's very avant-garde. The more peachy pastel color that I'm wearing on my lips right now is a lot more wearable. So I really like that one. It's called Charisma. I think it goes really well with the eyes, really balances it out because the eyes are like really like out there and then the lips are a little bit more understated. The palette, love it. I love this palette. I felt really good wearing colors that I don't normally wear and like getting kind of artistic, and like maybe I'll experiment with the green next time. I'm excited. But yeah, if you're really into color or you want to experiment a little bit more, I think this is great. This is serving you cotton candy realness. I am feeling this look. I am feeling myself. But then again, I always am. I think Pony killed it with this collaboration. I've been very impressed with her collaborations lately. All 800 of them. Chef's kiss. Mwah. So I would say definitely go pick this one up. This is actually really cute. I'm kind of sad that I have to go wash it off now because I have to get my eyebrows done and eat avocado toast. And it's just not practical to do those things when I'm looking like a cotton candy fairy. But anyways, guys, what do you think about this new Pony collection from Morphe? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you buy this? Would you wear this makeup look? Do I look crazy? Or do I look like a supermodel? You be the judge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more makeup reviews and weird makeup challenges. If you guys want to see me do some more Pony reviews, that's right, there's so many. If you guys want to see more Pony videos, check out these ones. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget that I love ya so much.